Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end we'll become friends. So today I have the Item Beauty on the Daily Eyeshadow Palette that I'm doing a look for you guys, and it's pretty decent. So if it's something you want to see, you got some eye brushes ready, ladies? We're going to be doing a look with the Item Beauty on the Daily Eyeshadow Palette that came in my Glam Bag X, I think it was. Yeah, it was a Glam Bag. Well, what is one of them? It was one of the Glam Bags. Or the Glam Bag Plus, I don't know. And it's now in Boxycharm's add-ons. So today, some of you might be purchasing it. So let's see. I have not dipped into her yet, so I'm excited to try this and see how well it works. How do you guys feel about Boxy and Ipsy combining worlds? I think the biggest upset is the repeat products. Okay, going in with Like a Lot and putting that in the transition area. I do have hooded eyes, so I do my eyeshadow different than, you know, the people you see on Instagram and all of that. I want my eye to look lifted, and I like using circular motions, and I always put the pigment starting out here unless the look calls for it elsewhere. I do have MAC Paint Pot and Bare Steady on my eyes. We're going to go in with Ride or Die next. Same brush. It's a Morphe blending brush. Going to focus really on my crease. Not so worried about the outside of my eye. That's going to come together. Okay, so far so good. We're blending nicely. That's a nice light, pretty color. We're going to go darker though. We're going to go into Gimme. Same brush, and I can use the same brush because I'm going darker. This palette is super pretty. You want to make sure there's no separation of pigment, and that means the color flows nicely. You can't see anything underneath it. You know, like your eyeball. Okay, we've got, do I want to go Gotta Have It? Yeah, let's go Gotta Have It. Put that in here. And when you put the most pigment this part of the eye, you have a tendency to make the eye look lifted and nothing droops down, which is what we want, especially if you have hooded eyes. We have to create our own crease, man. And with mature lids, they move, so it's tricky. All right. You can take a brush or a Q-tip and just go over your lid if you're going to do like a cut crease and get rid of that shadow. I think I'm going to grab my liner and map out the rest of my eye before I do this, or should I? I decided to do a cut crease. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Brightening Concealer, and what I do is I just grab some type of plastic that I have down here and I put the concealer on that. So this way I can pick up as much as I need on my brush. Then I carefully, this is a Luxie concealer brush. Wipe off some of this down here. But I cannot do my cut crease all in one swipe because my eyelids move too much. So basically what I like to do is map it out, pull it down, and I create a line by doing that. And then I decide over here how I want it to come out. Okay, get out your detailing brushes. We're gonna need them. All right, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe x Sweet Oasis brush. And I'm gonna go into Two Please. Don't forget to tap off the brush. What I'm gonna do is go out here and begin to place down that color right above my wing. And I'm definitely gonna need setting spray. This is gonna take some building. There we go. Setting spray will slow down, it will speed up the process. I know things might be looking a little crazy right now, but take your time. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Obsessed. This is a flat Luxie brush. Okay, grab your pencil brush or detailing brush. This here is a Jaclyn Hill JH38 with Morphe, and you need, we could do the shade Ride or Die or Gimme. Let's pop it into Gimme. Okay, now you want a blending brush. Something like this. This one with the angle will do really, really well. Okay, so over here we want to blend and flick out. There's enough pigment here, you don't need to add anything to blend. And just keep doing that until you get the desired look. Let's see if we can bring this up a little higher. This way we can do a brow bone highlight and it'll look like everything belongs together. Okay, I have the brow bone highlight brush from Jaclyn x Morphe. the shade Must. Wow, that crumbled. Woo! Okay. An angled brush. I love this Eco Tools brush. It's actually the first brush I used starting to do Ouai. And use that. You will master the wing in no time. Gimme an go-to. And now we can begin to do the bottom. And basically you want to take the pencil brush, you want to wet it with setting spray. Go into Gotta Have It. Make sure you blend. Smoke that out. You don't have to take the extra steps that I am unless you want to. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. This palette here, you might want to pick it up. It's actually pretty decent. Things blended well. I will be doing swatches over on my other channel, Swatch Investigator. And the last thing I want to mention is I have the new Heat lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. Oh my gosh, my lips. It tingled for like 2 minutes and then they swelled up and it was almost uncomfortable, just so you guys know. Now let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm so sorry my puppy is due to go out for a break. But thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you join the family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I will do my very best to answer them. But overall, it's a decent palette, and I hope you enjoyed this look. I'll see you guys real soon in another video.